Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before you proceed watching this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and share as well to your friends. Okay guys, in my previous video we talked about team benefits, and today I want to, which is team benefits, which is one of the ways of earning more from Starlight. Today I want to show you a second way of earning more from Starlight, and this time around this way is called the growth fund. So this is my Starlight dashboard now. So growth fund or growth fund can be found here. This is the icon for growth fund, so let's quickly click on it. Now I call the growth fund my bank. See, some of you have been compounding your money on Starlight, meaning that you don't want to withdraw your money. You are waiting for your money to get to some certain amount before you initiate withdrawals. But I want to show you a secret now. Whilst you are waiting for your money to get to a certain amount before you withdraw, why don't you invest it in the growth fund whilst you wait, than leaving it idle in the account there and it's just lying down there without any profit coming up from it. Now the growth fund is very easy. The growth fund now helps us to make more profit from our money that we invest in it. So what does this growth fund mean now? The growth fund simply means that you invest some amount, any amount of money, minimum being 50 Ghana cedis. Please take note, the minimum is 50 Ghana cedis that you can invest in the growth fund. And when you invest this money in the growth funds, you wouldn't be able to withdraw that 50 Ghana cedis or the amount you've invested there until the number of days you have invested it for has elapsed. Please take note, when you invest any amount of money in the growth fund, it moves away from your available balance and goes to the growth fund page, and it is there for the number of days you have invested it in. Now when that number of days is completed, you would be able to extract it from the growth fund back to your available balance with your profit on it, then withdraw directly to your Momo or your USDT account. So for the growth fund now, we have several amounts or several days. So the first here now is the growth fund of 7 days, meaning that your money will be locked for 7 days. And when it is locked for 7 days, you will be receiving 1.5% of the amount you have locked or invested in the growth fund daily for 7 days. The second is 15 days, which is this. And for the 15 days, you'll be getting 2% of the invested amount. And after the 15th day, you'll be able to extract your capital as well as your profit. The third is 30 days, meaning that your funds will be locked for 30 days and you'll be receiving 2.5% of the invested amount after 30 days. The fourth is 60 days, meaning your invested amount will be locked for 60 days in the growth fund and you'll be receiving 3% after 60 days. Then the fifth is for 90 days and you'll be receiving 3.5% after 90 days. And finally, we have 180 days, of which you'll be receiving 4% of the invested amount. So these are the growth fund days or investment periods. Now, as you can see now, when you open the growth fund page, it shows you your available balance in the Starlight account, as well as this part which has been deposited. I haven't deposited any money yet, so it's showing me 0. And then this is total revenue, meaning the profit I have gotten ever since I started investing in the growth fund. Now if you should click on extract there will take me to this page. meaning that I've invested in the growth fund twice. The first time I invested was 300 cedis, and at the end of the 7 days, I received 31 cedis 50 pesos as my profit, meaning that the total I withdrew was 331 cedis 50 pesos. Isn't that beautiful, wonderful? The second one I invested was 205 cedis 12 pesos, and at the end of 15 days, I got 654 pesos as my profit. So that is how the growth fund works. So I want to show you an example now by buying a growth fund or investing in the growth fund. So let's go back to buy. So here now they're asking you to please enter the purchase amount. So how much do you want to invest in the growth fund? How much you want to invest in the growth fund means that the money must be available in your available balance. It must be equal to the money available in your available balance, but not less than 50 Ghana cedis. But not less than 50 Ghana cedis, please. Good. So now we click on the growth fund. Sorry about that. So now we come here to click on the amount. So I want to put all the amounts in my available balance now. So I just quickly click on max. So I want to invest everything. I want to invest the whole of this in the growth fund. So I just click on max. So when I click on max, everything has been put there. So this is what it's showing now. So now it means that every day I'll be receiving 7 cedis 98 pesos, and then I'll be getting a total of 5 cedis 88 pesos for this number of days growth fund, meaning when it is 7 days growth fund, this is what I'll be receiving. For 7 days growth fund, I'll be receiving this for 7 days growth fund. But I don't want to invest in the 7 days growth fund. I want to invest in the 15 days growth fund. So I'd come here and then click on 15 days, lock for 15 days growth fund. So when I click on it, it is going to be highlighted green. So I click on it now. So as I click on it, you can realize that these details here have changed, meaning that my total income for 15 days is going to be 159 cedis 65 pesos as profit. Isn't this wonderful? This is what I'll be getting as profit for investing 532 cedis 16 pesos for 15 days. So I would invest in that. So when I'm done, I will click on buy. So I quickly click on buy. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is the max now. Then I've selected this date, and then I click on buy for the growth fund. The balance is too little. Okay, sorry. Let's 532. Okay. Now lock for 15 days, and then I click on buy. So it has been successful. The reason why it was telling us earlier on that the balance is too little is because I brought in the decimals. So you have to key in whole numbers and not decimal numbers. So if it is 532, make sure that you are keying in only 532 and don't add the decimals there. So it's a whole number now, 532. So meaning at the end of 15 days, I'll be getting 159 cedis 60 pesos as profit with my capital of 532 cedis as well. So right now, when I want to see my growth fund, I'll go and click on extract. Good. So you can see it now below here. My growth fund is below here now. So this is my growth fund here. This is my growth fund here now. So you can see the date, the 10th settlement time, the time I'll be settled, or it will be due for me to extract my growth fund, is going to be 10th of June 2022 at exactly 2:17 p.m. So that is how the growth fund works. It's very easy. I think the growth fund is very good. It's better. Instead of you to leave your money lying in your accounts aimlessly, why don't you invest it in the growth fund and then get some more profits after some number of days? 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. So I just bought a growth fund of 15 days for 532. So when I go back to my available balance now, my dashboard, you can see that my account is empty now because I've invested it in the growth fund, which means I wouldn't be able to touch that money until after 15 days. Then I go back to extract it and then comes here. So I'll begin after 15 days to show you how to extract my funds, the growth fund, how to extract it. I'll show you a video next time when it is 10 days, 15 days time on how to extract the growth fund. Alright guys, thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye bye.